Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create slow zoom in effect in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut Mobile application and I'm going to apply slow zoom in effect to this video. First thing first, we need to click on the video until the video is active, and then we can go to the animations menu. Okay, and you just need to scroll all the way to the right until you find a zoom in effect. This one. Click on this effect or this animation, and then you can increase the duration to create slow zoom in effect. Okay, once you're done, you can click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Or actually, you can use keyframe button to create slow zoom in effect. Wait, I'm just going to undo. Okay, then this is the keyframe button you can use to create slow zoom in effect. You can place the keyframe to your video. For the start position, I'm going to place the keyframe right here, and then we can go to the end position and click on the keyframe, and then you can zoom in your video. Alright, and then I'm going to show you the result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create slow zoom in effect in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.